In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reconcile your transactions in QuickBooks with ease and clarity. Reconciling your transactions is an essential step in maintaining the accuracy of your financial records, and doing it regularly can help you ensure that your business's books match your bank statements. So let's dive right into the process and get started. First, head over to QuickBooks. You can access it through your web browser by navigating to the QuickBooks homepage. If you aren't already signed in, go ahead and log into your account. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you're new. QuickBooks is designed to be user-friendly, so with a bit of practice, you'll be navigating like a pro in no time. Now, with QuickBooks open, locate and click on the section labeled Transactions. You'll find this option in the left sidebar of your screen. This section is pivotal as it gives you an overview of all the financial activities linked to your business, including sales, expenses, and of course, banking. Once in the Transactions tab, your next step is to find and click on Reconcile. This option is often nestled under the Banking section, so take your time to locate it. Reconciling allows you to compare your business records against your bank statements to catch any discrepancies and ensure everything is in line. Now that you're on the Reconcile page, it's time to specify which account you'd like to reconcile. Click on the prompt that says, "Which account do you want to reconcile?" You'll see a drop-down menu of all your linked accounts. Select the account that corresponds to the bank statement you're comparing. It could be a checking account, savings account, or even a credit card account, depending on your business's needs. After selecting your account, QuickBooks will guide you to input the necessary details from your bank statement. Ensure you have your statement handy, as you'll need information like the ending balance and statement date. This part is crucial because the more accurate the details you provide, the more seamlessly QuickBooks can match your records to the bank transactions. As you proceed, you'll notice QuickBooks presenting a list of transactions. Your job here is to match those listed against your bank statement. Look carefully for matches, ticking them off as you go. Doing this will allow you to spot any differences and adjust your records accordingly. And there you have it. You've successfully reconciled your transactions in QuickBooks. By following this procedure regularly, you help ensure your financial data remains accurate and reliable. Remember, consistency is key in bookkeeping, so make it a habit to reconcile at the end of each statement period. This diligence not only aids in financial clarity, but also lays a solid foundation for your business's financial health. Keep practicing, and soon this process will become a quick and seamless part of your routine.